Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I'm doing a really quick infill to share with you guys, and we're doing a blue and white and clear acrylic marble. So I already went ahead and prepped my client's nails, and you saw me apply my second coat of primer, and I'm just going in with a bead of my clear acrylic to the cuticle area to actually do my infill on her pinky finger, her index finger and her thumb. And on her middle finger and her ring finger, I'm just going to lay down a nice thin layer of clear acrylic. Now my client did have two encapsulated accent nails, but I went ahead and I soaked them off because they were black instead of filing them away. So now I'm just going to reapply my thin layer of clear acrylic to protect her natural nails. So here's what the nails look like so far. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take 3 acrylic powders, which is this blue, white and clear. I'm going to take some liquid into my brush and bring my brush to a point, and I'm going to start marbling these 3 colors together. Now I don't want to work them too much into each other for it to look like one color, and I don't want too much clear because my client did request not much clear at all. So after I do that, I'm just going to pat the colors into place. When I'm happy with it, I'm just going to repeat the same steps until the entire nail is filled with color. Now I'm going to be taking my gold nail art foil and I'm going to be applying this as a swoop across the nail. Now I'm applying it with my tweezers, but I do go in with my acrylic brush and I'm going to be positioning the foil where I want it. I'm going to leave it to set while I repeat the exact same thing to the other marble nail, and then I'm going to come back to encapsulate them. Go in off camera, file shaped and buffed, and now I'm going in with this blue gel polish. Now we decided to do a darker shade of blue to contrast the baby blue marble nails. So all I did was apply 2 nice even layers of this dark blue, cured in between each layer for 30 seconds, applied my gel top coat on my cuticle oil, and that was it for this set. Now these marble nails actually remind me of the sky, so go ahead and leave me a cloud emoji with your comments in the comment section below. Take a minute to share this video with that one friend that can't help but to get her nails done in blue every time she gets her nails done. So that is it, guys. I will have a clip of the final product as well as some pictures coming up at the end of the video to share with you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, definitely go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're there, turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. Have a wonderful weekend, and as always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.